Hello St Mary's. So you might remember in our last video we looked at how to read notes and we concentrated on the G and the D. Well, in today's video we are going to look at how to read the A and the E string, and we're going to use those notes to play the next bit of our tune, which is called Open String Boogie. For our warm-up today we are going to play all of our strings G, D, A and E. What I'd like you to do to begin with is just play each note once. So you're going to play G, then D, then A, and then E. So pause the video and try that now. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is to play each note, but this time twice. So we're going to go G, G, D, D, A, E, E. Now this time I'd like you to play it with me, so don't pause the video. We're going to play it together and I'm going to say ready go when I want you to start. So here we are, ready go. G, G, D, D, A, E, E. And the last thing we're going to do for our warm-up is we're going to play each note 4 times. So that's going to go like this. G, 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 D, 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 A, E, 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 E. Now notice when I'm doing that, I'm moving my arm up and down 4 times for every note. So get ready. I'm going to say ready go again, and we're going to try that together. Ready go. G, 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 D, 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 A, E, 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 E. In our last video I talked about the stave, which is the 5 lines that go across the screen, and we talked about where the different notes were on the stave. So remember, the D is below the bottom line of the stave, and the G is even lower because that's the lowest note on our violin, and it's got 2 extra lines under the stave. So in today's video we are going to concentrate on the A string and the E. That's your other 2 strings on your violin. This is what an A looks like on the stave. So see here how the blob is in the second space up on the stave. And this is an E, and the blob for an E is in the top space of the stave. Now also notice that an E is upside down. The stick points down for an E. That's because it's a high note and the stick always points down for high notes. So here is a combination of some A's and E's. What I'd like you to do is to try and read them, work out what they are, and then have a go at playing them on the violin. So pause the video now. Okay, so those 4 notes were A, then E, then E, then A. So on the violin that sounds like this. A, E, E, A. Now here's another combination of notes, A's and E's again, and same thing, I would like you to pause the video, work out what they are, and then play them on the violin. So pause the video again now. Okay, so this bar had a rest in it, so it goes A, rest, E, E. So on the violin that sounds like this. A, rest, E, E. And here's the last one. Now you might have noticed that this has got more notes in it than the other ones, but I still want you to do the same thing as before, work out what the notes are and then play them on the violin. So please pause the video again now. Okay, so that one was a little bit harder because it had E's and A's in it, but I also put 1 D in there as well, which is one of the notes that we were looking at last week. So that one goes E, 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 A, D. On the violin that sounds like this. E, 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 A, D. Now that set of notes that I just played there, E, 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 A, D, is the next bit that we've got to learn in our tune Open String Boogie. So in the last part of this video I am going to demonstrate how to play those notes on the violin. Okay, so what we're doing this week is 4 E's, then 2 A's, then 1 D. And we're going to break it down into little chunks. So first of all, let's have a look at 4 E's. Now I always say this, and I'm going to say it again. I want you to make sure that you are moving your bow in both directions. So to play these 4 E's, you're going to go down, up, up. And it's going to sound like this. E, 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 E. So please pause the video and practice 4 E's. And next we're going to look at the last 3 notes, which is 2 A's and a D. So that should sound like this. A, D. So again, please pause the video now and have a practice of A, D. So next we're going to put all of that together. So E, 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 A, D. And the trick here is to do it all in one go without stopping, without any gaps when you change strings. So it should sound like this. E, 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 A, D. So notice there how I didn't pause every time that I changed string. I just went straight through and played the whole thing. So could you pause the video again and have a practice of all of the notes E, 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 A, D. Before we finish, I would just like to leave you with one last thing, and that is the notes that we practiced last week, which is D, 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 G, G. What we're going to do next week is put that bit together with the bit that we learnt today, the E, 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 A, D, and when we can put those 2 bits together, we'll be able to play the whole of Open String Boogie. So before you put your violin away, could you please practice D,